Welcome to Miss Williams' class. We are studying and doing our math block. So our math block today. Boys and girls, what's our math objective today? What have we been studying in math?
Analyzing value.
Pair share, why is that important to us? Why do we need to analyze and compare our numbers? Pair share.
And the lady gives us back $9. How much money were we supposed to get back? We're supposed to get back $20. We chose 25 and 25.
And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Who's ready to share their thinking? Who can tell us why is it important? What's the value of our objective? Why should we learn how to compare or contrast numbers? How's that relevant to your life? Joshua?
Because if you're building an aquarium, you wouldn't want to overflow a tank.
And so what do we have to do? We have to have the
Right amount of water.
We have to know our place value, don't we? Someone else who has another idea, another thinking on why it's important to know the place value in our numbers. Luke?
Because if you're an architect or a construction worker, you'll have to know how to measure to make sure you don't get a wrong length.
Very good. Another idea. Why is it important? Why do we need to value and know our place value in our numbers? Amanda?
Because if you were in a contest or something and there were 30 people, you would and the judges would it was a spelling contest. You had to see what the biggest word was. Let's say cube tower, it's up there, and science, which one would be bigger, cube tower?
You'd have to know your place value and count those and compare to see which one had the greater number. Okay, hands are down. Thank you so much. I know we have lots of thoughts in our noggins, don't we?
Yes.
Yes, we do. All right, let's look up here. We have our lesson, and it's beginning out with the cube tower. And what is that other item up there on the screen? Call it out to me. What is it?
Organized list.
Organized list. What could that mean? Pair share. What is an organized list? And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Who can share their thinking? What does organized list mean? Organized list. Jake, what does organized list mean?
It means it's not all jibber jabber. It's clean and it's an organized list.
Right, those numbers, they have a specific pattern, don't they?
Yeah.
Are they all wompy up there? Are they thrown up there? Or do they have a very specific order?
They have
order.
They do. Let's look at that order. Can you observe a pattern or something with that organized list? What's happening in that chart? Pair share.
Zero and two and 20 and 1
And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Who's ready to share their thinking? What have you noticed? What are some of the patterns or some of the things going on in that list that we have? What is something that you notice in our organized list, in our chart? What's something you see? Mia?
It all equals 30.
It all equals 30 on the total. All of the totals are 30. Let's see, is there something else? What else do you see going on in that pattern? Jalen?
It's counting up. This one is 0, 1, 2, 3, and this one is going down. This one is 3, 2, 1, 0.
There's a pattern in the tens that she sees with it going up and down in those two different columns. Very good. Is there anything else you see going on in our lovely chart? Sierra? Not Sierra, sorry. Miss Elizabeth.
You can take them and switch them around.
How? What would you do?
See, over here, you got the 3, and then you got the 0, and there you got the 0 and 3.
Oh my goodness, you see that relationship, how they're just kind of flip-flopped. Very good. Well, let's continue on with our lesson and see what it says to us.
Read and understand. Look at the chart. Use groups of tens to make 30. Find